In this tip, we'll see how we can use the built-in string methods to change the case of characters. Consider this sample input string. First, let us look at the 5 string methods you can apply on this. First is capitalize. So this will uppercase the first character and remaining will be lowercase. So you can see the first character is uppercase and the rest are lowercase. The title method will uppercase the first character of each word and remaining will be lowercase. You can lowercase all the characters using the lower method, and you can use upper to get uppercase version of all the characters. If you use the swapcase method, lowercase will become uppercase and uppercase will become lowercase. Let me give one more example. So consider this input string with 3 words separated by non-word characters. So if you apply title, the first character of each of these words should become uppercase. So this example is just to show that white space is not necessarily the word separator. Any non-word character will separate these words. If you want to provide a specific separator, then you can use the string.capwords method. So let me import string and let me give another input string. If you use the title method, then as seen before, each of these will be treated as separate words. So you can see the first character of all such words is uppercase and remaining are lowercase. If you use the string.capwords method, then you can specify a custom separator. So in this case, I want to treat all of these as a single word, and this will be another word and this also will be another word because I am specifying colon as the separator. So you can see the first character of this sequence is uppercase and remaining are lowercase. Same for this sequence as well. This is uppercase and remaining are lowercase. Hope you enjoyed this tip.